Are we rolling? Take one. We're building a bench. And I'm wearing my work pants, so it's serious business today.
So good. Bench from scrap wood that we had laying around.
We're gonna build a shelf, like an insert shelf.
Eller så kommer det att visste det. Show me your creation. Test fit.
Okay. La, 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 la. Wow. Good day.
It's been a very good day. Right, we're done with the frames. And this one as well. It's all done. We don't have any more material to continue on today. So tomorrow we will be back. What are we doing tomorrow?
Depending if we get everything for the roof racks or not. If they arrive, we're probably gonna do that. If it doesn't, maybe we'll start with some insulation.
Sick.
I think so.
Well, I was gluing the side things. Lina started taking out the, what is it called?
The headliner.
The headliner. Zip. We also did swivel seats the other day, but that's for another video. It's not today. So enjoy the time lapse or something. Bye.
Shelf is out. The shelf is out.
We're gonna do insulation above the fucking English today, mate.
And
Over the headliner. We're gonna do insulation over the headliner. Yeah, fucking just watch. As you expect, we didn't get any other material that day, so we were not able to do anything else except for insulating above the headliner. The wall inserts will be finalized in another video since we didn't have any material, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so don't miss out when we finalize the video for it. And as usual, all the products that we use are linked in the description if you want to check them out. Ciao!